Fam, what's good? Real quick video. Number one, I'm super excited because Prince is back on the wall. If you've seen any of my Cali videos, you know Prince was always on. That's my dude, man. But anyway, that's not what I want to talk about. I just discovered something today, and I want to share with you how to do it. I put out a poll on the community tab. If you're not subscribe to this channel, I don't know if you get the community tab. That's where I kind of communicate with people about stuff. And I just noticed today that YouTube, you could do YouTube stories. That's dope. But on the community tab, I put out a poll to find out how most of the people that subscribe to my channel are getting that content. And it seems like the overwhelming majority of cats that watch my videos consume the content on mobile. So I was thinking like how to make that a better experience for you guys on mobile. And what I discovered, I didn't know, some of y'all might know this, but you can actually slow down videos on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna do a screen record on my phone and show you how to do that. And I think that's dope. We are in such an exciting time. I love technology. So anyway, let me flip off this and show you how to do that in your phone, son. All right, fam. So this is what I'm talking about. Like I said before, some of you guys may already be hip to this. I'm literally just finding out about it, and I think it's super dope, and a way that you could really get a little bit more out of the mobile experience when you're trying to learn songs, whether it be my tutorials or something else. Right now I have a clip of Marcus Miller playing Jean-Pierre bass solo, and if you just touch the video, you see the 3 dots up here in the right corner. You're just gonna press those and go to playback speed. Now I already have it because I was playing around with it. Here it is at normal speed. And then slowing it down. What's cool about this is that the sound quality does not seem to change a whole bunch. Half speed. Right? Even slower than that. Now, I don't know why you would want to go any slower, but I mean, that is super dope to me. I wish. So here's another video of one of the funkiest cats, Alex Al. He's got some crazy dope stuff in this video. Let's watch this video and slow it down a little bit and see what happens. So remember, if you're on mobile, you're gonna go touch the video.
Bass player to bass
go
player.
to the 3 dots.
Right, yeah, the way y'all say hi.
And you'll see playback speed.
Oh. Everybody get up!
So even if you couldn't see his hands, you could slow that down and hear what he was doing and be able to, let's see, I'm going to scrub through this, go back to that part. I'm going to play it and slow it down.
Bass player to bass player, tell him hello. Right now? Yeah, the way y'all say hi.
Half speed. And you also get to hear Arsenio Hall go, oh! I'm not touching that. Okay, so anyway. Yeah, that's hella dope, man. Hella dope. There's my girl, Victoria. Yeah. Victoria Theodore is a friend of mine. She's super dope, super humble, down to earth. Anyway, yeah, man, this is exciting. And I suggest you go watch the rest of that video because this is just stupid. So anyway, man, yeah, that's, you know, as you can tell, I'm very excited about this feature on YouTube, particularly on mobile, the ability to slow videos down. So let me know what you think about that in the comments. If you know a way to loop sections of a video in on mobile, let me know. Like I said before, I think there's a Chrome extension that you could use to do that on your desktop, which is also cool. But anyway, as always, man, peace, 2 fingers, and shaky phone. Out.